So here on this car I have a extension cord plugged in, and this goes to a battery tender that keeps the car battery topped off. And what I like to do is take some of the silicone dielectric grease, squirt it into each one of the holes, and then around the border like that, and it creates a barrier and it keeps the water from penetrating into the connection, and also helps it to resist corroding. So when I'm dispensing something out of a tube like this, I like to use a key like this. This one's from the Mosedale Manufacturing Company. And it's their website is www.relianttool.com. It's a simple tool. It's a piece of sheet metal that's formed, got a slot in the back, and works pretty well. You slide it on the tail here and you wind it up, and it'll evenly force all the material or the product towards the front here and keep your tubes from getting all crinkled up and maybe springing a leak. And when you want to use it on something else, you just simply unwind it slightly, pull it out, and you have it ready to use on something else.